Officials from the city of Torrance learn more about how Measure H funding will impact the city's homeless population. Here's Edward Mertz with the story.
It's the Torrance Social Services Commission, created 2 years ago to address issues in the city, including homelessness and those involving veterans. With Measure H expected to generate $355 million a year to fight homelessness, commissioners want to know, how much money will Torrance get?
Is the money going to be allocated as a per capita thing?
They were told by the county's consultant on Measure H some of the money will be allocated, but agencies and cities will also have to apply for it.
It also depends on the process of how the providers, the contractors, including the cities, will be chosen to provide Measure H eligible strategies. And then that would determine the amount that would end up being actually administered directly by the city.
LA County voters approved Measure H in March. It raises the sales tax in the county by 0.25% for 10 years. The sales tax will start being collected October 1st. County supervisors decided to spend the money in 6 general areas, including programs to prevent homelessness, subsidize housing, increase income for homeless people, provide case management and services, increase affordable housing and housing for the homeless, as well as administrative costs. And if the city of Torrance wants any of the money itself, there will need to be a conversation, says Commissioner Bob Chioda.
If we expect to get money under this gigantic windfall, we've got to do something about it. It's just not going to come to us.
Torrance city leaders have some time to put together a plan for fighting homelessness in the city, as county officials say they will not begin accepting applications under Measure H until sometime this fall. The county does estimate there are some 4,000 homeless people in the region, which includes Torrance and surrounding cities. Meantime, the city of Torrance is also working on its own guide, which has information on services that are available for the homeless. For This Week in Torrance, I'm Edward Mertz.
Thanks, Edward. The city of Torrance also took part in the recent Greater Los Angeles homeless count. Well, the Torrance Transit